cut, so don't worry about size. But just know that she is like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how my last hairstyle was. When I had like some braids and it looked like some curly braids. Like some
boho braids.
Yeah, boho braids. So with that being said, the boho braids I had those before. But it's like she put some work in my head and I can't wait. So yeah, just stay tuned. And I do got a surprise for Bay, so I can't wait to surprise her.
God bless you.
I'm a different what's the name? Surprise her. Is that what 9.6?
And y'all already know they passed his ass.
Yup, she standing on business.
You already know they passed that ass.
Period.
I don't know. Maybe it's the actual cord.
Bless you.
Like that.
What's tea?
Bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. As he did.
Oh, because God really have been blessing me.
Did I do something to the light?
No, I don't know if it's the plug, but try to push it in more.
Okay.
I don't know. I ain't never did it. Or maybe it's that plug. We could plug it in a different one. Like, get it together.
Okay, we're gonna get it together. Hold up. Okay, there you go.
And then where you can tell is like the highest, the brightest.
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, hold up, y'all.
Because I had to get on mine in the fast.
Oh, high shit.
Make it high here. Okay.
Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna definitely see. This thing motherfucking smooth. Well, I know my baby probably at home. This bitch.
Well, that light really show it too.
This one?
Yeah, it show good, so.
Good.
Okay, there you go.
Sure. Cause imagine not liking a motherfucker and being still on their shit. Be crazy for me. Bitch. Too much sauce.
Come book a look. That's what you can do.
Okay.
Correct.
Come with the motherfucker look.
Her Instagram is pinned at the bottom. Make sure y'all go follow. If you're in the ATL, you travel?
Yes, I do.
She travel. Look how she doing Shamar hair. Well, I'm waiting till she get done and show y'all a sneak peek. Well, I'll show y'all a little sneak peek of it. Hold up.
Nope.
Girl, I ain't got no TikTok. Ooh, I ain't got no money, girl. I be begging here today, girl. Oh. Hold up, I'm gonna show you. Y'all look. She eating it up, no shade. Look at it, baby. And she putting the work in. And she from the Dominican, so she know what she doing.
Correct.
You see how I got that? She know what she doing. You can't beat that. Hold up. Yes, she travel. Y'all just go, when y'all go follow her and go ahead and start booking your appointments. Period. Can't beat this. It's getting hot. It's hot outside. Who wanna keep wearing wigs all day?
Price is good.
Price is good. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. No shade. Can't beat it, girl. They say, does she provide the hair? I love the hairstyle.
Yes.
She provide the hair.
Not the stylist that provide the hair, correct. Yes, I do. I provide the hair.
She provide the hair.
Most definitely do that.
He getting it tomorrow.
What they talking about, my side clip?
Yeah.
Yeah, most definitely do that tomorrow.